Hello, viewers. Welcome to the Grade Math Challenge. Are you ready to test your addition skills? What is 2 plus 2? The answer is 4. What is 2 plus 3? The answer is 5. What is 4 plus 2? The answer is 6. What is 5 plus 3? The answer is 8. What is 6 plus 4? The answer is 10. What is 7 plus 5? The answer is 12. What is 8 plus 6? The answer is 14. What is 9 plus 7? The answer is 16. What is 10 plus 5? The answer is 15. What is 11 plus 4? The answer is 15. What is 12 plus 3? The answer is 15. What is 13 plus 2? The answer is 15. What is 14 plus 1? The answer is 15. What is 15 5? The answer is 20. What is 16 plus 4? The answer is 20. What is 17 plus 3? The answer is 20. What is 18 plus 2? The answer is 20. What is 19 plus 1? The answer is 20. What is 20 plus 2? The answer is 22. What is 21 plus 3? The answer is 24. What is 22 plus 4? The answer is 26. What is 23 plus 5? The answer is 28. What is 24 plus 6? The answer is 30. What is 25 plus 7? The answer is 32. What is 26 plus 8? The answer is 34. What is 27 plus 9? The answer is 36. What is 28 plus 10? The answer is 38. What is 29 plus 11? The answer is 40. What is 30 plus 12? The answer is 42. What is 31 plus 13? The answer is 44. What is 32 plus 14? The answer is 46. What is 33 plus 15? The answer is 48. What is 34 plus 16? The answer is 50. What is 35 plus 17? The answer is 52. What is 36 plus 18? The answer is 54. What is 37 plus 19? The answer is 56. What is 38 plus 20? The answer is 58. What is 39 plus 21? The answer is 60. What is 40 plus 22? The answer is 62. What is 41 plus 23? The answer is 64. What is 42 plus 24? The answer is 66. What is 43 plus 25? The answer is 68. What is 44 plus 26? The answer is 70. What is 45 plus 27? The answer is 72. What is 46 plus 28? The answer is 74. What is 47 plus 29? The answer is 76. What is 48 plus 30? The answer is 78. What is 49 plus 31? The answer is 80. What is 50 plus 32? The answer is 82. What is 51 plus 33? The answer is 84. If you want to get even better at math, keep practicing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Let's learn and grow together.